We're going to be 10 billion people on this planet in a few years' time. How do we feed that number of people, but look after people and the planet at the same time?
By 2050, so it's not that far away, there's going to be more plastic in the ocean than fish.
One of my passion of this project is about making an impact, right? If I can contribute to connecting the dots and make new products happen that are healthier and more sustainable, then I will be happy and will be able to sleep at night.
Bringing together scientific, academic luminaries, chefs, media personalities and F&B entrepreneurs. That's really the heart of what we're looking to do at the Gastronomica events, and showcasing that community who are solving tomorrow's problems today.
We are a company with the mission of making single-use plastic disappear. We have been doing a series of different products. For example, we have been able to use seaweed to package water on small pouches. The advantage of that is that you can drink the water and you can eat the packaging. It's a product that we created that we call it O, because it's the name that people give it when they see it for the first time. They make that sound of like surprise, of like ooh or oh, and you can eat it.
Oh, wow.
If you want, so you pronounce it well like that.
The mission of the Bezos Centre is to facilitate the alternative protein revolution, making our food system healthier, more sustainable, productive and reliable. Collaboration is very important because it's a very multidisciplinary environment, and I think we need to put all the pieces together, and all that only happen by talking to each other and being in the same world.
I think it's really important to have physical places and networks of people like the Gastronomica.
The Gastronomica events run in parallel to the opening of the space of Gastronomica. So Gastronomica is like the Starship Enterprise of the F&B world, because it brings together startups, innovators, entrepreneurs, as well as multinationals. We're able to do all of that in one building because we have world-class facilities. It's being able to connect entrepreneurial businesses with big opportunities. That's what Gastronomica is about.